Hello, today we would like to demonstrate how you can download the Spotify. So first of all, open up the Google Play Store or App Store if you are an iPhone user. At the search bar, type in Spotify, just like so, or not like so, but just like that. Once any app is found, click on this green install button, or you can also do that from the separate and respective page of the Spotify app. And now we'll wait for the Spotify to be downloaded and installed. Alrighty, as you can see, this button turned green, which effectively means that we have successfully downloaded and installed the Spotify app. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.